These images are trending on all social media platforms. In this tutorial I will show you how to make these images for free. Open your browser and go to this website. You can find website link in description. Sign up with your email. Then click on Create. Copy this prompt. Follow the settings. Leave other settings as you can see on the screen. You can choose a number of images you want to generate. I want to select just one image. Then click on Generate. Click on Image to preview. If you want to download this, simply click on Download. Let's try another sample. I want to change prompt. Then click on Generate. If you want to download this, simply click on Download here and you will get images without any watermark. If you want more videos like this, let me know in comments. Blue.